Hi everyone, welcome to AI for software testing. From traditional testing to AI powered testing, are you worried that AI may replace software testers, no testing jobs? Or are you confused about how AI can help in testing? Then this video series is exactly for you because AI is not replacing testers. AI is transforming testers into super testers. Hi everyone, this is Madhukar from Madhu Tech Hub YouTube channel, and I welcome you to this amazing series on AI for software testing. In today's software industry, one word is everywhere we are going to hear. What is that? AI, AI, AI. Whether it is in development or testing or automation, reporting or project management, AI is changing everything. And because of that, many software testers are thinking, what will happen to my career? Will AI replace testing jobs? How do I survive in this AI world? How do I survive in this AI world? These are the more points. So let me clarify one thing. AI is not here to replace testers. Once again, I'm saying that AI is not here to replace the testers. Then what? AI is there to help testers work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. AI is there to help testers work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Right, ma'am? The future belongs to testers who know how to use AI efficiently, who knows well how to use the AI efficiently. The future is for them. Right. In this complete course, we are going to learn in the coming series of videos. I am going to provide the solve the topics. What is generative AI? What are AI agents are there? What is agentic AI? What is MCP? Model Context Protocol. How AI works in real-time software testing projects. And most importantly, what is required for us as a tester, daily activities, how we are going to integrate this AI, how you can use AI in your daily testing activities. These are the topics in coming videos I'm going to provide to you. We'll also see practical real world examples such as generating test cases using AI, writing Selenium and Playwright Automation code using ChatGPT, creating test data within seconds, API testing with AI support, generating smarter reports, reading data from Excel, CSV, and APIs, building AI-powered testing workflows, and developing AI agents for automation. What not everything I will going to explain to you in detail way, in with a practical way. So, whom this course is suitable? For a manual tester, you can go through. It is required nowadays. Automation tester, Selenium engineer, Playwright tester, API tester, or even a beginner in software testing. This course, this course will help you to understand the future of testing using AI. Remember one important thing here, no? Earlier testers used only manual efforts, where we are going to call manual testing. Then, what is the major disadvantage of the manual testing? Time consuming. Then, to overcome that, they introduced automation. Automation, change testing, WinRunner, EFT, Selenium, Tosca, like this. Now, AI is the next revolution. So, this is the right time to upgrade your skills and become an AI powered software tester. AI powered software testing. Understand? You are becoming a powered software tester. In this next videos, we will start with the basics of generative AI and understand how testers can use AI tools step by step. So stay connected. This is Madhukar from Madhu Tech Hub. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. If you are excited to learn AI for software testing, then like this video, at least 500 likes. I'm expecting to publish the next video. Comments your thoughts, what your requirements are there. Maybe you want to TypeScript or Playwright with JavaScript. I'm ready to provide. Please subscribe the channel and share them if you are liked it is. Thank you. Bye.